Lotus Sutra, Chapter 25, The Gateway to Every Direction, manifested by Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. Homage to Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. Namo Avalokitesvara. Under normal Sanskrit Sandhi transformation, it can also be chanted as Namo Avalokitesvaraya. Verse for opening a sutra. The unsurpassed, profound, and wonderful Dharma is difficult to encounter in hundreds of millions of eons. I now see and hear it, receive and uphold it, and I vow to fathom the Tathagata's true meaning. Thereupon, arising from his seat with his right shoulder bared, Bodhisattva Shakyamuni faced the Buddha with his palms pressed together and spoke thus to him. O Bhagavat, for what reason is Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara, hearer of the sounds of the world, called Avalokitesvara? The Buddha answered Bodhisattva Shakyamuni, saying, O son of a virtuous family, if innumerable hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of sentient beings who experience suffering hear of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara and wholeheartedly chant his name, Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara will immediately perceive their voices and free them from their suffering. Even if those who hold to the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara were to enter a great fire, because of this Bodhisattva's transcendent power, the fire would not be able to burn them. If they were adrift on the great waters, by chanting his name, they would reach the shallows. There are hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of sentient beings who enter the great ocean to seek such treasures as gold, silver, lapis lazuli, mother of pearl, agate, coral, amber, and pearl. Even if a cyclone were to blow the ship of one of these towards the land of Rakshasa demons, they would all become free from the danger of those Rakshasa demons, if there were even a single person among them who chanted the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. For this reason he is called Avalokitesvara. If anyone, whether guilty or innocent, is bound with fetters or chains, such bonds will be broken into pieces, and those who have been bound will become free by chanting the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara.